So I sit in the car and then I just crack a joke and he laughed. And the minute he laughed, he करके his teeth were red. I think वो गुटखा or something.
Shut up. That's wild.
मैं तो ऐसी लड़की चाहता हूँ जो ऐसी दिखती हो, मेरे पेरेंट्स का ध्यान रखे. And when it goes to मेरे पेरेंट्स का ध्यान रखे, मैं रखूँगी आपके पेरेंट्स का ध्यान. बट अगर आप मेरा वो KRA बना दोगे, then I'm applying for a job rather than applying for a marriage.
Right.
Applying for a marriage.
For sure.
जब आप वीडियोस बनाते हो कैमरा के सामने, अच्छा मार्केटिंग करते हो, ये तो कुछ काम ही नहीं है, फिर क्यों इतने बिजी रहते हो? आप टेक में कोड लिख रहे हो, चैट जीपीटी आ गया है, आप स्टिच से कोड बना रहे हो, तो आप क्या काम कर रहे हो?
भाई एक तो भाई प्रोपेगेंडा नॉट फॉलोइंग फॉर. बहू तो हमारी बेटी जैसी है.
Normal is asking people how their marriage is going when they start asking you to get married. I'm like, are you happy?
Look good together for
Like, for who?
हाँ, मतलब मैं ये नहीं बोल रही कि एकदम आप मेरे को कार्तिक आर्यन की बन के आ जाओ.
for sure.
First of all,
But
Kartik Aaryan is not
I have another ring. I have a game.
Yay.
Hello and welcome back to another episode of the Brunch Club. We are so excited to be joined by Vishaka today. Welcome, Vishaka.
Hi.
Tell us about yourself.
I am an eligible bachelor, which is why I think Verona has invited me. इन्होंने बोला कि यार तुझसे नहीं ढूंढना चाह रहा है, हम ढूंढ देते हैं. So I'm here.
Awesome.
When was the last time you were in a relationship?
I think 2 years ago.
Oh.
And उसके बाद I've been single. I had such a bad breakup. I don't want to date. I just want to get married once I find the one.
Have you had any like dating stories?
Okay, so nobody knows about this story. So this is the first time I'm telling it.
Yay.
This man was everything that I wanted, or so I thought.
So सारे checklist पूरे.
Fully knew how to talk, well-spoken, articulate, good-looking, and good personality, career-oriented. He loved traveling. He used to go out. He loved parties on the weekend. मतलब सब था उसमें. And I don't go out on dates that often, but we really hit it off. And I was like, yeah, after 2 years, I think I found the one. So we go on this date. He picks me up in his car, and the minute his driver opens the door,
He came with the driver.
एक्चुअली नाउ व्हेन आई थिंक ऑफ इट मैं थोड़ी अनकंफर्टेबल भी हो गई थी. ड्राइवर क्या सोचेगा कि सर ने एक लड़की ऐसे बिठाई. द मिनट द ड्राइवर ओपन द डोर एंड आई सी दिस मैन, ही डजंट लुक लाइक हिज पिक्चर्स एंड ही इज सिटिंग. Come sit. So I sit in the car and then I just crack a joke and he laughed. And the minute he laughed, he करके his teeth were red. I think वो गुटखा or something.
Shut up.
Bro, I wanted to kill myself.
But that's wild. What an experience.
I just went on the date. We had our
Still?
food.
Well,
Yeah,
you're not
मैं
going to jump
कैसे-
out of a moving car.
That and I don't know how to say no.
Oh.
He showed off a lot, which is a very big turn off for me. Like, I should not know about your wins from you. आप मुझे बता रहे हो कि आपके घर में एक बहुत बड़ा स्विमिंग पूल है, आपके पास इतनी गाड़ियाँ हैं, आपका लाइफस्टाइल ऐसा है.
इतना पानी है घर में फिर भी आपके दांत इतने लाल हैं. बड़ा swimming.
There's a lot of questionable men out there for sure.
There's a book that's called now Kissed 100 Frogs so that
Yeah.
you don't have to.
Yeah,
I think I can write a sequel.
You can write the sequel.
Go for it.
So did you end up ghosting him?
Yes. So
Oh.
he made plans with me कि जो मेरे घर में वो swimming pool है, like I want to be with my wife in that pool.
Yeah.
I love swimming pools but not men with गुटखा.
भाई on that मेरा take ये है कि first few meetings में you should not decide that he is gonna be your husband or your wife. You are putting a lot of expectations on yourself and on that person as well. Long term होने तो दो. Long term relationship के लिए.
What are some of your other turn-offs?
For me, number one is like if you're eating with your mouth open, I should not see what's happening inside your mouth. And I think if you come up with a list of what you want in a girl and you say it on the first date, that's the biggest turn off. Like अगर जैसे आप जाके लड़की को बोल रहे हो कि मैं तो ऐसी लड़की चाहता हूँ जो ऐसी दिखती हो या ऐसे बिहेव करती हो, ऐसे काम करती हो, मेरे पेरेंट्स का ध्यान रखे. And when it goes to मेरे पेरेंट्स का ध्यान रखे, मैं रखूँगी आपके पेरेंट्स का ध्यान. बट अगर आप मेरा वो KRA बना दोगे, then I'm applying for a job rather than applying for a marriage.
Right.
Applying for a marriage.
You don't need a second job.
कभी ऐसे हुआ है कि your ambition has been a problem?
Yeah, I think all the time. I have a full-time job and I also create content on the side, which is after my 9 to 9. Then weekend pay I do some freelance work. So it takes a lot of time. Recently I was with somebody.
Yeah.
And this intimidated him to a point that one day he's like, I want to understand where we are headed. तो जिस तरह काम करती है और जितना ज़्यादा काम करती है, busy रहती है, I don't think that this is something that I want for somebody in my life. And I was like, ठीक है, अब देख शादी होगी तो कुछ responsibilities आएंगी, तो obviously मेरा freelance weekend का काम कम हो जाएगा. So he's like, no, why do you have to work? I need somebody जो घर पे रहे या खाना बनाए. Trust me, I've met so many men via matrimonial apps or via any dating apps. Like their idea of an ideal marriage is the girl taking care of the house, and even parents भी बोलते हैं कि यार हम चाहते हैं कि जो हमारी बहू आएगी वो हमारा ध्यान रखेगी क्योंकि हम बूढ़े हो रहे हैं. मेरे पेरेंट्स भी तो बूढ़े हो रहे हैं यार.
I think we have evolved, but men on the other hand are not evolving because उनके ऊपर कभी वो expectations नहीं रहे. We on the other hand बहुत struggle किया है to get where we are. It's not
Honestly,
the same.
I'm super tired of people saying that men develop emotional maturity late or men struggle with emotional maturity. It removes entire accountability from men
Exactly.
to work on developing it. Like if you just cast men off as like हाँ तुमसे नहीं हो पाएगा तो कभी नहीं हो पाएगा उनसे. And I really feel like we need to start holding them accountable. Like yes, you can do it. It's not that hard. It's not rocket science. Work on yourself and show up. Like make space for a woman who is in her power, who is independent and autonomous and determined to build a better life for herself. And I feel like when a guy enters a space of security, then he will not be intimidated by a woman who is equally as ambitious as he is.
And you and your partner are growing together, working towards a common goal.
Right.
I don't know why you want a woman to sit in the house. It's so 1950. I don't think it's for 2026.
Have you done the arranged marriage circuit?
I am in the arranged marriage circuit.
All right, let's go. What are some of the interesting things that people have told you there?
So I think matrimonial apps are the dating apps, but for marriage, where you will see people from all areas, basically, be it income groups, be it different cities, professions. It takes a lot of toll on you going through that window shopping. रोज मैं इतने सारे लड़के देख रही हूँ, उसमें से फिर मैं चूज कर रही हूँ, फिर मेरे पेरेंट्स भी बात कर रहे हैं, फिर उसमें से वो और फिल्टर होके आ रहे हैं, फिर मैं उन लड़कों से बात कर रही हूँ. एंड दे हैव दिस एंटाइटलमेंट ऑफ बीइंग अ मैन और बीइंग अ बॉयज फैमिली, व्हिच is my biggest ick in a man. You're working, but आप मुझसे ऐसे बात कर रहे हो कि अच्छा आप काम करते हो, ये तो कुछ काम ही नहीं है. मार्केटिंग क्या होता है? अरे they consider it a joke. जब आप वीडियोस बनाते हो कैमरा के सामने, अच्छा ये तो कुछ काम ही नहीं है, फिर क्यों इतने बिजी रहते हो? आप टेक में कोड लिख रहे हो, चैट जीपीटी आ गया है, आप स्टिच कोड बना रहे हो, तो आप क्या काम कर रहे हो?
If a woman is a businesswoman, the problems then is more. Why are you not doing like a normal 9 to 5 job? सुबह जाना, शाम को घर भी आ जाना. Businesswoman तो it's a lot of commitment.
And God forbid you're like a content creator or a public figure, because that is like a whole different problem.
And वो बात ही ऐसे करती, आप तो इतने बड़े इंसान हो, आप क्यों अरेंज मैरिज ढूंढ रहे हो? मैं क्या बड़ी हूँ यार? फिर मैं बता देती हूँ यार, that is my internet persona, but I have a life. 10% of it is on Instagram, but there's 90% that you don't know about. फिर वो देखेंगे कि आज मैं इस लड़के के साथ हूँ, some creator, कल मैं किसी और से बात कर रही हूँ. I have a lot of male friends.
For sure.
वैसे ही हमारा जेंडर डिस्पैरिटी इतना ज़्यादा है. एंड उसके बाद भी अगर मैं जा रही हूँ तो मैं किसी काम से जा रही हूँ बिकॉज आई वर्क अ लॉट. दे कम फ्रॉम दैट एंटाइटलमेंट दैट वी वर टॉकिंग अबाउट कि अच्छा ठीक है, बट अगर हम रिलेशनशिप में आएंगे तो आप इन फ्रेंड्स को छोड़ पाओगे. सटली हिंटिंग कि इतने सारे लड़के हैं, हम थोड़ा इनसिक्योर हो रहे हैं, इनको हटाना पड़ेगा. बट मेन शुड अंडरस्टैंड दैट आपकी अपनी जगह होगी एक लड़की की लाइफ में, एंड यू शुड हैव दैट सिक्योरिटी दैट योर गर्ल विल ओनली बी योर्स अनलेस शी प्लान्स टू चीट ऑन यू. तो आई एम ऑल्सो नॉट अ female best friend for a man hater. Like please have best friends, please have a life apart from a relationship. मेरे को sense नहीं बनाता है कि आप अपनी life change कर दो because I'm coming in your life.
I'm like kind of happy with the life I've built, and I accept that like I am a little bit more attached to the way my life is, and I would hope the other person is too.
And I feel like self-awareness is really important. Marriage अगर आपको करना है, if you're genuinely looking to get settled down with a person, I think self love से ज़्यादा भी self awareness बहुत ज़रूरी है. I feel you should know what you are getting into and why you are getting into.
Yeah,
it's very important.
And plus, what you want out of a marriage. Why are you getting married? Is it because your parents want you to get married, or is it because your friends are getting married, or is it because you want to get married? Agar it's the former two, you should not get married. It will be a disaster.
Yeah, peer pressure is a real thing, bhai.
I don't know if I have more than 3 friends who are not married. Like all of my friends are married.
Oh really?
तो अब उस pressure में अगर मैं शादी कर लूँगी,
मुझे भी मन होता है इसलिए कभी-कभी, but फिर after March or April I'm fine.
Exactly.
I'm normal. I'm back to normal.
Right.
But, yeah.
Wait, so do you want to get married?
I want to get married for myself.
Okay.
Why?
I am stable enough in my career now. Sometimes I just miss that companionship. Like, if you're falling apart or if you've had a very good day, who do you share it with? Obviously, I share it with my friends, but sometimes you just want to make that one call and you can be absolutely transparent and feel safe in the arms of a man, but not to a point कि अभी ही शादी करनी है. Yeah, if I find somebody who can complement my already ongoing life, I know.
I think Chandra was shooting and you were saying ना कि Loki, I want to cook for my man, I want to get settled. कहीं ना कहीं वो चीजें आ जाती हैं.
To be of service to another person is one of the highest callings, right? We can live selfishly all we want, but there's an emptiness within that.
Yeah.
You give everything to another person, you know, and it's so important that that person respect the fact that you are putting so much effort and giving so much of your heart to them. Because there are a lot of people who take it for granted or exploit it.
I don't want कि आप मुझसे expect करो कि आपको breakfast in bed मिलेगा.
छापर मिलेंगे. छापर चाहिए, झापर नहीं.
होता है ना, आप अपने पेरेंट्स को देख के बड़े होते हो और फिर आपको भी वैसा ही एक रिलेशनशिप चाहिए होता है. तो मेरे को है कि मेरे को अपने पार्टनर के साथ ही रहना है. But at the same time, the kind of life I've built for myself, I don't like to do any household work, any of it. अब मुझे लगता है कि अब मैं किसी के घर पे जाऊंगी तो मुझे सारा एकदम खुद ना करना पड़े.
मैं एक चीज़ बताऊँ, so as a kid, I used to love cooking, ठीक है. तो जब जिस moment I realized, you know, as a woman, I have to, I stopped. I stayed away from kitchen for years until I started living alone. But for years मुझे ऐसा feel करवाया गया that as a woman मेरा एक responsibility है. तो for that reason, just imagine, I stayed away from something that I genuinely liked. And then obviously I found my way back.
Yeah, I also just think about how much the patriarchy is perpetuated, like even by the women in our lives. Like they'll try to make us feel like नहीं जब शादी होगी तो आपको ये करना पड़ेगा तो अभी सीख लो.
हाँ, बचपन में कितना बताया गया था.
Maybe not our moms, maybe not our मासी और बुआ, but extended relatives, societies, voices.
हम इंडिया में हैं, people are nosy, तो वो दे ही देते हैं एडवाइस कि नहीं आप सुनो, आपको सुननी पड़ेगी एडवाइस.
क्या सुनने को मिल गया फिर?
तो the kind of clothes I wear कि यार शादी के बाद तो आपको सूट सलवार भी पहनने पड़ेंगे. मुझे नहीं अच्छे लगते सूट सलवार. मेरे को मेरी मर्जी पसंद है तो मैं सूट पहनूंगी क्योंकि मैं चाहती हूँ कि मैं अपने बंदे के साथ, हम शादी पे जा रहे हैं ऑब्वियसली मैं सूट पहन के जाऊँगी. तो हाँ, ये कि बेटा आप थोड़ा धरती पे रहो, आप शादी की उम्र है आपकी, लड़की कैसे मिलेंगी, लड़के कैसे देखेंगे. मैंने कहा ठीक है नहीं मिलेंगे. वी हैव weddings in my family coming up and I will be single. People younger to me are getting married.
Yeah.
So meeting so many relatives or so many people, friends of our parents and others, and them asking the question कि वो आपकी बेटी है, अच्छा क्या करती है अभी, ओके शादी नहीं हुई इसकी, हमारे पास एक लड़का है. और वो लड़का निकलेगा अपना मम्मा's boy प्रॉपर, एकदम गंदी तरह पैम्पर्ड कि बेटा आप सब हो, लड़की तो बहू बन के आएगी, बेटी नहीं बनेगी.
भाई एक तो भाई प्रोपेगेंडा आई एम नॉट फॉलोइंग फॉर. बहू तो हमारी बेटी जैसी है. never ever.
Until she didn't come out of your uterus, like she's not gonna be your daughter, and you're never gonna see her that way. I feel like that's another criteria for me. I feel like you should add to my list. Like, ठीक है लड़का ठीक ठाक होना चाहिए, but यार आपकी मम्मी कैसी है?
Very important. This relationship that I was telling you about, which actually broke my heart into tiny pieces. उसकी मम्मी बहुत अच्छी थी यार. तो जब मेरा relationship खत्म हुआ ना, मैं आज तक कभी-कभी रो देती हूँ कि यार आंटी. And auntie used to call me and tell me कि बेटा आपकी याद आ रही है. आंटी मुझे भी आ रही है, पर हम शादी नहीं कर सकते. और कोई बेटा नहीं है क्या तुम्हारा? आंटी कोई आसपास का. शादी में मैं प्रेशर नहीं ले सकती यार, मेरी जिंदगी का सवाल है वो. इंडिया में इतना प्रेशर डालते हैं, people they give in to that pressure sometimes, and once the honeymoon period gets over, 1-2 years, and then it's a disaster. I've seen marriages break after 3-4 years. I can't.
I also just think like you hit a point where you're liberated and you just don't care anymore. Like what people say ceases to affect you, and you start to almost like you just have to laugh because like there's so many unhappy marriages and people who stayed in those marriages, and you're like, I'm free. Like I don't have to marry anyone I don't want to.
Exactly.
And that is our greatest privilege as women in this century and in this point of time. And we can celebrate that. And if people are coming and like poking you and everything, like I just start joking back. I'm like, how's your marriage going? Tell me more about that. Like, normalize asking people how their marriage is going when they start asking you to get married. And like, are you happy?
Yeah.
I don't feel that pressure right now because I am 26 right now, and I feel like as soon as I turn 28 or 29, I don't know how does it feel to be single then and not have someone.
So I guess I'm immune. Do you ever feel pressure?
I feel a lot of pressure. Like at this
internally?
moment,
Yeah.
I'm pressurized.
Oh, you're in the pressure.
Yeah. I remember I was 25 when they asked me the marriage question. मैं पापा के साथ ऐसे झूला झूल रही थी. We used to have a morning tea, coffee there. And पापा ने मुझे पूछा अच्छा शादी का क्या सोचा है? And Chandra, I cried.
Oh my god.
With the entire pressure. So सब पूछा कि बेटा 25 के हो गए हो, क्या करना है? ठीक है. फिर लोगों ने सवाल पूछने शुरू कर दिए शादी कब हो रही है इसकी. 26-27 में और पूछना शुरू किया. Some of my close people started getting married in 28. फिर वो फिर पूछा. And at that time मैं भी किसी को डेट कर रही थी तो हमारा भी शादी का था. तो मैंने कहा चलो ठीक है, I am safe. Marking myself safe from the pressure. But then we broke up. फिर वो again my parents came in की शादी and वापस I tried matrimonial तो वो भी नहीं चल रहा था. तो yeah, the pressure is real. I am dreading my 31st birthday.
Why, babe?
Because आप सोचो ना यार, आप अभी जैसे इतनी सारी मैरिजेस हो जाएंगी and everybody is getting married. People will again ask you that question कि आप 31 के हो गए, आपकी शादी
Babe, आप हर एक साल के साथ एक नया income add कर रहे हो. What are you saying?
Also, I always think about how every time I'm meeting people and they're asking me, Shadi, are you seeing someone? Ye, wo. Like, have you ever once asked me how my career is going? Like, have you asked me, what am I studying lately?
Never.
What are new passion projects that are fulfilling your life? No, like, everyone claims, oh, we just want you to be happy. Well, like, ask me about the things that make me happy then, right? Like, care about that. If you're really wanting to pressure me, like, pressure me to, like, level up in my career. Pressure me to get more degrees, if you must. That is pressure I would still celebrate and embrace. And so I don't think you need to dread your 31st
Exactly.
birthday. I honestly think we all are going to get better and better and better every
of
year.
course.
We're going to thrive. We're going to step into our power. And like the right person is going to gravitate towards that precise aura that you're working so hard to nurture and take care of.
We need to see more women crossing 31s and thrive, obviously, and earn so much. As a 26-year-old, it's like an inspiration, and at the same time, I feel कि सब हो जाएगा. Like, it's normal. You are normalizing for a 26-year-old, for a 25-year-old. You are setting an example.
I have a question.
Yeah.
Do you have a physical preference?
That person should be taller than me. An average height of 5'8", 5'9" is good, but I really fall for men who are 6 feet.
You feel protected with a tall guy.
Like, it just makes you feel safe. I don't want six-pack abs, but just be healthy, fit. We should also look good together.
Babe, कोई अच्छा नहीं लगता है end में.
Look good together for
Like, for who?
हाँ, मतलब मैं ये नहीं बोल रही कि एकदम आप मेरे को कार्तिक आर्यन ही बन के आ जाओ मेरे सामने.
First of all,
But
Kartik Aaryan is not
I didn't have another example. I don't have favorite actors, but personality-wise, chivalrous होना चाहिए. Treat a woman like a woman and don't like तू तो मेरा भाई है type.
Oh yeah.
I'm not your bro.
I'm not.
Yeah, I'm not your bro. Treat me nicely, be kind to me. Know that I also have emotions, and girls operate in a different way than men. Sometimes men keep things to themselves or they communicate in a different way.
Would you date someone younger than you?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah, why not? I think
love mentoring
age
the
के
youth.
साथ, age के साथ maturity नहीं आती है.
I don't know, it's so random. But sometimes I don't want to have children, but after listening to, you know, what's happening, what kind of guys are out there, I do want to have a child, which should be a boy, and I want to teach him how to be a great man. I want to teach him everything which we don't get.
That is so selfless of you. Sometimes though, I am quite optimistic because I do think like young generation, they get so much education and exposure. I mean, they have a lot of access to information, to women's perspectives, to the challenges women face. I have seen a lot of young men coming up and being genuinely thoughtful and kind and considerate and respectful. So like I'm optimistic. Like maybe our husbands are just like wrapping up college and getting ready to start their career. But yeah, like I don't know. I think younger men are great.
What do you think of the concept of men written by women?
I mean, it's great in theory, but it's usually fictional. Again, it goes back to that performative thing. Like a lot of men have figured out the kinds of things that women like to hear, but they don't stand on business. Like they don't believe that. They're just doing it as a performance. And sometimes I get suspicious when guys are like a little too smooth and a little too charismatic and they sound like they were written by a woman, and I was like, bro.
You can smell performative men.
Just wait for the mask to fall off, and when it falls off, it hurts. 2-3 महीने आप कर लोगे एक्टिंग, उसके बाद क्या करोगे?
कितना acting
कब
कर
तक कर
लोगे?
लोगे?
No, I agree.
I have a game.
Yay!
Bare minimum or princess treatment? Okay. Unfollowing his exes on social media.
Bare minimum.
Bare minimum.
Picking her up and dropping her after a date.
Princess treatment.
Bare minimum लगता है मुझे तो.
पहले princess treatment होता मेरे लिए, but now it's bare minimum.
Come on. You have to arrange my transportation. Getting her flowers.
Bare minimum.
Give me a paid उगाओ मेरे नाम.
Ooh, that would be sweet.
Oh, that's princess treatment for me.
Planning a trip for her end to end.
Bare minimum.
I think that's princess
मेरे को
treatment.
princess treatment. हमें opposite कैसे हो जा रहे हैं आज?
कोई बात नहीं.
I'll bring the outfits.
You bring the glam factor first
Yes.
of all.
Just tell me I have to come to the airport. Bhai, plus 1,000 aura points.
Okay, bare minimum or princess treatment. Learning to blow dry her hair.
Princess treatment.
Princess treatment, yaar.
I don't think I want him to blow dry my hair. I feel like he would do it badly.
मैं तो चिढ़ जाऊंगी और लड़ाई हो जाएगी.
Sending a good morning text.
Bare minimum.
That's not even bare minimum. My freaking manager texts me more than that. I wake up to good morning voice notes from my manager. I feel like you can do better than that.
I should be the first thought in your mind when you wake up.
And the last, him giving you his shoes and carrying your heels. पाँव में दर्द हो गया तो.
Bare minimum. I think it should be an example of chivalry.
Don't give me your shoes. I don't want to look like a monster.
Yeah, just actually, I just pictured it. Yeah, buying a new pair of flats.
Love it.
On that note, thank you so much, Vishaka, for joining us. It was
you for
truly
having
a pleasure. This chat was super fun, and we hope to see you back soon with updates on your love life. Thank you so much for watching another episode of The Brunch Club. If you enjoyed this video, do be sure to hit subscribe, share it with your friends, and we'll see you in the next one.
Bye.